Hello, I'm going to be answering WASSCE 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 20. A cost of production that is positively related to output is the A. Total fixed cost, B. Average fixed cost, C. Variable cost, D. Social cost. So I will define what each of these options are and then we will pick out our answer. Now for total fixed cost, generally it refers to cost that does not vary with output. So fixed cost does not vary with output. Then for average fixed cost, it is basically a fixed cost divided by quantity. So that is the average fixed cost. Then for variable cost, it basically is cost that relates to how much is produced. So basically cost related to how much is produced. And then for social costs, SC, I'll use that to represent our social costs. Social costs is the sum of personal costs, PC, plus personal cost plus external costs. So with that being said, we talked about variable cost being related to how much is produced, and how much is produced can be stated as the output. So a cost of production that is positively related to output is C, which is the variable cost. So variable cost is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.